I said that I wanted to share with you how AI can be your productivity partner or your sparring partner. I have three areas that I can share with you here now. One of them would be the coding efficiency. We can look into auto-completion. We can look into debugging, code reviews, documentation, coding assistance. It could also write full-fledged full-stack apps for you. One problem definitely is that they are lacking in accuracy. Sometimes they're also established in ways that are not really concurrent with the overall architecture. So establishing patterns that are kind of disadvantages, and then you as a software engineer would have to fix it, which is why the human component will play a big role. But overall, they can be a really good productivity boost. With AI, you can make sense out of the insights that you get, whatever that is. What are the things that you as a software engineer will also have to dabble in? It will be not only to create the code for functions to work. It might be also about bringing in data from A to B, require you to maybe have some sort of understanding of how you would have to transform that data and how to interpret it, so you can communicate it back to your stakeholders. With AI, okay, this might be a bit easier for you. You'll not have to learn all of this by yourself from scratch. Creating concepts. So you have often the task to not only code something, but to also think about a feasible way to deliver it. The motivation is usually one of the three. You either need to create something new, you'll have to decrease cost, or you'll have to improve efficiency, basically make it faster or less susceptible to errors. And for these tasks, you usually need to come up with the concept, right? Using AI can boost your confidence in decision making. It can also give you a roadmap to start with a problem. Like I often use it to just give me an outline of the steps that I should do. Things that usually software engineers are paid to do themselves, right? But yeah, I mean, why not use AI to help you with that? Sometimes it would even give you suggestions to problems that have been solved often enough on Stack Overflow. So you don't need to look it up yourself. You can just get it dictated by your AI of choice. Here comes the more. This is going to be interesting because me as a freelancer, I'm not only writing code, I'm also running a business, right? And for those that are thinking like an entrepreneur, this is going to be very juicy.